Hello everyone and welcome to another video regarding our prayer times tool. In this video, I will show you how to edit and update prayer times using the prayer times tool. So your masjid's website always displays accurate and up-to-date information. Accurate prayer times help your community stay connected and informed, especially when checking online. The Prayer Times tool makes it easy for admins to apply changes in seconds, all from the portal. At first, log in to the admin portal and click on Prayer Screen under Digital Signage. And now click on Prayer Types. Now to update a specific prayer time, for example, Fajr prayer on May 31st. Locate the date and edit the time. For example, I am putting here 4:30 a.m. and then click on Update Prayer Times. If you want to set the Iqamah time of Asr prayer for the entire month, just enter the time beside the Iqamah field and then click on Update Prayer Times. And it will apply that time to every day. You can also rename prayer names. Show or hide sunrise, sunset, and click Update again to apply your preferences. And that's it. Now you know how to keep your prayer times current and customized for your community. This feature puts you in full control, ensuring your masjid's website stays accurate and helpful always. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.